Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. Today's video, I'll be making mango and banana smoothie, and I'll be putting in 1 cup of coconut milk inside it. But as always, FadaGugs like to talk a little bit about each ingredients and the benefit it have to offer. Mango. A lot of us like a bit of mango because it's very delicious, but it is also packed with a lot of health benefits. Mango, it packed with nutrients like calories, protein, dietary fiber, vitamin B6, vitamin E, magnesium, and many more. It is also high in antioxidant. It may boost immunity. It may support your heart health. It may even improve digestive health. And the mango, it may improve your ear and your skin health. The bottom line is, mango is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And it has been associated with many health benefits, including potential anti-cancer effect, as well as improve immunity, digestive health, eye, skin, and your hair health. But the best of all, the mango, it is very tasty and it is easy to get inside our diet, like in a smoothie as I'm making today. The banana. The banana is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with loads of energy-giving carbohydrate and excellent source of potassium. That's just a basic information of the ingredients. I'll put a more detailed one in the description below so you can have a look. So now let's just go ahead and make our drink. So let's put the banana to the side for a bit, coconut milk as well. Get your knife. I'm just going to get a plate so we can peel the mango. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be peeling the mango. You can cut both sides of the mango if you want and then take it out that way. But I'm just going to peel my mango because that's what I normally do. Just peel off the skin off of the mango nicely. Just like that. Smell nice already. So just like that, just take a time and peel it off. Make sure so you wash it and clean and nice. Just like that. So there you have it. So next, you just want to cut it. You just cut off the flesh just like that. Just like that. Let's try and get as much off as possible. Yeah, I think that's it. Just give them a 1 slice just to make it easier on the blender. Just like that. And then just wipe your hand and just put it inside the blender. Just like that. The mango smells nice. So there we have it. So now the banana. Just peel the banana and break the banana. Just drop it inside. Very simple and easy smoothie. And then we're gonna have our 1 cup of coconut milk. If you want, you could put a bit of honey in this, but it's sweet enough for my taste, so I'm not gonna be putting in no honey. So now all we need to do, our thing, shove that to the side, just clean up the side a bit, nice, and just bring this forward a bit. Just tilt that a bit as you guys can see. That's it. And just start the process of blending. Yes people, so it finished blending now. Got that nice and thick. It's supposed to taste lovely as well. So let's just get back our chopping board. Get a nice glass. Oh yeah, that's nice. It's nice. Oh. So this is the final product. That is so smooth and nice. Yeah, that is it. That is it. Now let's put a nice straw inside it. It's proper thick and nice. Nice mango, cup of banana. You can put the half of our next mango inside it. So there you have it people, mango and banana smoothie. Very healthy and it's very delicious. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Turn on the post notification so you will never miss another video from FadaGugs. And please again, remember to share it with your friends and your family. For now, FadaGugs is out.